lesson we have learned about database. So what is database? I told you earlier that maintaining some list in a order. So MS Access is a part of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word, you know, everybody know what is Microsoft Word. Okay, Microsoft Word, all the feature you are getting, you can write paragraphs and all these all facility you are getting in Microsoft Word, and the title bar, toolbar, these all options will be same as in MS Access. So MS Access and Microsoft Word are same. MS Access is used for creating some list, but in Microsoft Word, not only you can create list, you can type different type of paragraphs, you can do different type of formatting, you can paste any object, anything you can do in the Microsoft Word. So field name. So what is field name? Suppose this is the table in MS Access. This is the table you are getting in MS Access. So in the table, the things you are writing here. Suppose you are writing here name, Vedanta, Rupjyoti, then Anik, and again one you are writing Rajasi. Class 7, A, 7, A, or 8, 8, 8, A, 8, A. Here you are writing roll numbers. Here you are writing addition numbers. So this is the table in MS Access. MS Access means what? Tumaloke list con. Tumaloke jikunu ekhon list you can arrange in a tabular form. The list you can make. So this all are the. So this part is called field name. The name you are typing in the field, this is called field name. Okay? This is the table, this is the list, and this part by part you can, in the table is a intersection of rows and columns. So in the rows and columns you are writing this field name, that is called field name. Data types. What are data types? You got in class 7. String, integer, float, varchar. These all are data types you are getting in the class 7. You got string character. What are string character? Integer, you know, everybody will know integer. What is integer? 1 by 4 or 4, 5 or 10. Any numbers it is called integer. Then in integer you see in the page number 34 you are getting auto number, text, number, currency, date and time, memo, yes, no, OLE object, lookup widget, attachment and hyperlink. So this is about what are the variables, what are the data types you are using in MS Access. Creating in the table design. So table design, what are the design you are getting? For table design, suppose you don't want this format, you want another format. Where you have to go? You have to go to table design. Then field name. Then SNO serial number and press enter. So this is about how to go to table design. First you have to go to table design, then field name, you have to type the field name, then serial number and enter. Then you can change the format of the tables. Next you see field property. What are the field properties you are getting? Field property. What are the field property are there? See, field property, field size, format, input marks, decimal places, caption, default value, validation rule, validation text and required. So these all are field property. What are the property you are having in field? So these are the property. Field size how much. Suppose when you are entering a picture, then height how much, width how much, pixel and all you are adding or not in the picture. Same way in the field you can add field size, format, input marks, decimal places and all. This is all about field property. Primary key. How to set a primary key? What is primary key? The main key. Main key, this is called primary key. Suppose this is the table. Okay, this is the table. Here name, roll number, section. Okay, you want this name to be primary key. Vedanta you want to be primary key. Other having value 30, 40 like this value is there. This one you want to set his name as a primary key. Then you have to write here. যদি তোমালোকে primary key কৰিব বিচাৰিছা তেতিয়া হলে just you write in the table in one field name about primary key, means this part is a primary key. Understood everyone? Removing primary key, first you have to go to, suppose you are setting this primary key, you want to remove it also from there. Then you go to the design view, primary key, then tools, design tab, then primary key will be removed. One you can set, other one you can remove. So what is primary key? Primary key actually what? So it is uniquely identified by the number, as the number can have some student name and cannot be without student number. That is, the student name is acting as a primary key. So in this book here, same example I have shown you, it is given here that student name is set as a primary key. Primary key means what? This is main key. You are getting different type of key. Again I will explain about all the keys in another one class. Primary key, composite key, secondary key, so many keys are there. This one again I have to explain about the keys. Okay. Now adding field, deleting field. So adding, deleting from this, okay, from this table you want to add something or you want to delete something. First you have to go to the where? Datasheet view. Anything you want to do, you have to go to the datasheet view. Then datasheet view, go to the datasheet view. If you want to add, then press add. If you want to delete, then press delete. This one about add and delete. Inserting also same. Inserting, adding, deleting, you have to first go to the datasheet view for adding, deleting and inserting, okay, and sorting. Sorting also, you know what is sorting? What is sorting? Suppose some name are written here. Anik is in last, Vedanta and Rahul is in top. You want to arrange it in a short, you want to sort it, sorting. Sorting means what? Anik will come front, Vedanta will come in the second place, Rahul will come in the third place, according to the A, B, C, D format. This is called sorting.